Hey, what's up, CompSci community? I'm back with day number 8 of my 100 Days of Code challenge. And if you remember yesterday where I left off on the website that I'm working on, for practice, of course, I had just styled up all of the fonts and the text, and it did make a big difference to where I first started, but there was still a long way to go. So today I did two things specifically. The first thing I did was I started out with the header, I added a background image, and then I blended it with an orange color. So it gives it a really nice look behind the white text. I also styled the buttons to make them orange with white text. I rounded the corners and I gave it a nice shadow. Then I moved on to the wildlife section. I added a background image to this section as well. I also added a box shadow, but I inset it so that the shadow goes into the picture rather than out of it. There's also a small orange border at the top of it, and I gave it rounded corners. The last thing I did was lighten up the link colors inside of this section just so they stand out a little bit more. Well, that's it for day number 8. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.